Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So you asked about this, we have talked about this last week, and the recording only because will be 15 minutes 15 minit je, tak lama. So we're gonna talk about fixation yang hari tu yang you guys tanya. So like I told you, there's 3 types of fixation, which is steaming, dry heat, and also wet fixation. So the steaming is the most important process. Banyak dulu early printing, early dyeing all use steaming for fixation, as they don't have any chemical or machine to do the dry heat here. Okay, so dry heat is using some sort of like an oven for the fabric. Wet fixation use chemical. Okay, nothing else, just chemical bath. Alright, so steaming uses water. Okay, and then it can go up into 100 degrees Celsius. I think it's supposed to be more, because 100 is not that much. Okay, and then dry steam, they have dry steam and wet steam. So dry steam, it doesn't have water. It's either very superheated or saturated. Okay, the cair sikit. Okay, wet steam have a lot of moisture from spray. They spray the steam. Okay, for silk, dia different steam is for different kind of fabric. So for silk, dia kena balance. Alright, so untuk wool pula, dia perlukan lagi banyak moisture. So you have to be aware of what fabric you're using before you steam it. Okay, and different types of steamer also is developed for different types of dye stuff and fabric construction. Fabric construction ni maksudnya different type of fabric lah. Contohnya macam jadilah silk, wool and everything, all require different kind of steaming. Okay, jadi kita tengok itu star steamer. Okay, I just dah explain ini. Air free, ingat maksud dia apa? There's no carbon dioxide, there's no oxygen, there's just carbon dioxide. Okay, so dia ada disadvantage dia. This is how it look like. This is where the fabric is gonna be, and Aioli is also the name of a steamer. Okay, it's a bell-shaped form. But like I told you before, I cannot find where it is as a bell shape. Okay, and again, it's an air-free chamber, meaning there's no oxygen, there's just carbon dioxide. Okay, so different time, different fabric, different steaming time. Okay, and different temperature also. Okay, carry bodies, this is where we see it. Flash Asia, as I told you before, flash means cepat. Okay, it's a mixture of dry and wet steaming. No chemical, that means there's no acid mixed into the dye, it's just the color and thickening agent. Okay, if the dye are printed with chemical, nanti dia akan ada masalah lain. As I told you, it will be blotchy and irregular prints, because the dye stuff will not be able to penetrate the fiber as much. Okay, ini boleh baca that this is the flash Asia, as I told you, that we can't understand, but at least you know what it is. Okay, the dry heat is often used for pigment dyes. Alright. Okay, a certain amount of curing. Curing ni maksudnya fix lah. Alright. Fix and curing and fixation is the same thing. Okay. Air, it means hot air. Bukan angin semata-mata, is hot air. Some pigment require 5 to 6 days. tapi tak perlukan high heat. Alright. Yang ni yang 2 hingga 5 minit ni sebab dia punya it's very high punya Celsius of hot air. Okay, wet fixation, as I told you, is made from chemical and it's used for bad dyes. Okay, so this is the chemical they use, sulfuric acid bath or some other reactive. Okay, that's it for fixation, and I hope you understand. I hope everything's well. I cannot wait to see your presentation.